Guys, it's so weird recording it in front of all these people. What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Guys, you saw the previous video, I ended it here, and now we have a special delivery which came to our room just now. So this is going to be the BMW Motorrad Safari India 2021 hat. I'm supposed to wear this hat now. I'll just keep that away. Nice hat actually. And we have two t-shirts. So one we are going to wear it today. The other one we are supposed to wear it tomorrow. So let's do a quick unveiling of this. Okay, I'm supposed to wear the black t-shirt today. Let me show it to you. So this is the black BMW Safari t-shirt. This is a long sleeve sweatshirt, I guess, because we're gonna wear this tomorrow. They gave us a full arm t-shirt because it's gonna be a hot day tomorrow. And look at this. So this is the sweatshirt that will be, not sweatshirt, I don't know what's this called actually. Sorry. So this one will be wearing it tomorrow, and behind make life a ride. And I think this also has the same thing. Yeah, make life a ride. So we're gonna wear these and go. I'll change into this one and we'll head out of the room, go have our lunch, show you the hotel, continue with our day. So guys, we are in 312 and this is the hotel. It looks nice from the inside, but I think it's a little old. So they have arranged the lunch, I think, so there. So this t-shirt looks nice, the BMW t-shirt. I don't know, everyone are still in the rooms, I guess. How's the hotel, guys? Let me know in the comments below. If you're liking these type of vlogs, please do let me know. And that is the lunch area. I forgot to wear my watch today. The time is 1:30. We're gonna meet for lunch, and then 1:30 to 2:30 is the lunch time. 2:30 to 3:30 again go back to the rooms and chill, and after that we'll be heading off for the bear sanctuary. So today we're going to go see the bear sanctuary, come back and chill at the hotel. That's all.
ಇವಾಗ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇದೆ?
ಇವಾಗ 3:30 ವರೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀ. 1:30 to 2:30 ಲಂಚ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
3:30 ಅದೇನೋ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿ, ಸ್ಲಾತ್ ಬೇರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಚುರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ.
6:30 ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ
ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್?
ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಚಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ನಾಳೆ ಅದೇ ಹಂಪಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಲೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ?
ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಆಗೋದು ಹಂಪಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 15-20 kilometers.
ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಡ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ?
Yeah, we have to ride tomorrow. It's going to be very very hot.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we were thinking. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಪಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್
ಬರೋದು.
Any other tomorrow? That's it?
No, I think that's it.
Okay.
All right.
We have to ride and go.
For tomorrow,
Yeah.
we have to ride and go. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜರ್ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that blue color.
Oh.
Guys, this is the outside Royal Orchid or Orchid Kirti. So this is the hotel. There's a lawn, parking space there, and all our bikes are parked here. So when I came to the hotel, I couldn't show this. So the 310 hours are here, the 4 310 hours. Now we are going to the Sloth Bear, the ROG Sloth Bear Sanctuary, and few bikes aren't going to be coming there because we don't know how the roads are. Oh, I forgot my keys in the room. No. Come on.
A few moments later.
Did you see that? How many tries? Did you see that? Stupid door. Got the keys. Okay, there's still some photo session going on. Guys, it's so weird recording it in front of all these people. Anyways, let's continue on the bike. Oh god, it is super hot. It's showing 37 degrees Celsius. My goodness. Okay, it's 22 kilometers and 34 minutes. It's peak afternoon hours now. That's why the temperature is increasing. Look at this. I don't know if it's a lake or I don't know what it is, but beautiful. They sent us a wrong location in the WhatsApp group, so we followed that and came to the sanctuary, but this is not the location. We came 10 kilometers in the wrong direction. Time is also up. Apparently the zoo closes at 5 o'clock. The time is 4:04. The road is wonderful. Okay, we are in the safari now.
I just bought
Safari.
You're not doing motovlog. This is the thing you can find out in 9.
Show this.
Oh wow.
This is the new Hero 9 Black. It has the front display also. Is it recording here? Maybe I should also get one for moto vlogs. We are back at the same location where we were waiting. The only difference is we came back in a safari vehicle.
804 JB 5047.
Just see. Tire tracks are also. So back to the same location. This is the bear sanctuary. There's a few bears there, you can't see it.
Puzzle on WhatsApp. Spot the bear.
And now heading back to the hotel. Guys, if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also a thumbs up to the video. And we don't know what's gonna be there for dinner, so today's plans, that's it. Going back to the hotel and having dinner, getting some rest, and tomorrow going to the archaeological ruins. And that's it, guys. If there's anything interesting, I'll show it to you, or else this will be the end of the vlog. Like always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Peace.